When I started hacking, I made one big mistake. I ignored the tools that could have made my life way easier. In this video, I am breaking down 5 tools I wish I knew when I was beginner hacker. So you can save time, learn faster, and hack smarter. First up is Burp Suite. Think of it as your control panel for hacking web apps. You can intercept and modify HTTP traffic, brute force login forms, and find hidden inputs. Even the free version is packed with the features. Next is Nmap, the OG of network scanning. It tells you what ports are open and the services are running and even guess the OS. Use it to discover your attack surfaces before you even touch a web app. Tool number 3, Amass. This one is for recon lovers. It finds subdomains that are often forgotten, abandoned, or unprotected. And guess what? That's where the gold often lies. Have you ever got stuck decoding base 64, hex, or JWT? That's where CyberChef shines. It's a drag and drop magic box for encoding, decoding, analyzing. It personally saved me hours of Python scripting. I just wish I found it earlier. Last but not least, Gobuster, a tool that brute force directories and files on websites. You would be shocked to know how many websites have hidden admin pages or forgotten backup files. Gobuster helps you find them. These 5 tools changed the game for me. If I had known them earlier, I would have avoided so many headaches. Remember, tools do not make you a hacker, but the right one makes you a better one. If you liked the video, drop a comment with a favorite tool or one I should cover next. And check out my full write-up on openexploit.in. I have added commands, screenshot, and real examples there. Do not forget to subscribe for more hacking tutorials, tools, and tips.